this is the part of the hindgut, the 1/3 left 1/3 of transverse colon, splenic flexure, descending colon, sigmoid colon, rectum and anal canal. This is a part which is derived from the hindgut. A part of anal canal is derived from the hindgut, a part will derive from the ectoderm. Okay. So these are the part of the derivatives of the hindgut. Now let us see. Already we know that this is a gut tube having the foregut, midgut, hindgut. A projection comes near the umbilicus along with the midgut tube, that is called allantois. Foregut is covered by a membrane called buccopharyngeal membrane or buccal membrane, and the hindgut is covered by a membrane which is called cloacal membrane. These two membranes are only ectoderm and endoderm. It doesn't have any mesodermal tissue. So this is your buccal membrane or buccopharyngeal membrane, and this is your the cloacal membrane. So this picture we already know with the gut tube formation. Now let us concentrate on the hindgut. The last projected part of the hindgut is dilated to form a space. This is called the cloaca. And for the cloaca, this is the projection towards the umbilicus. This is called allantois. The cloaca is covered by this membrane. This is called the cloacal membrane. There is a projection on the surface which is called the genital tubercle. We see in the development of the genital system what structure develops from the genital tubercle. So this part, the dilated part of the hindgut, that is your cloaca, from where the rectum and anal canal is going to form. Now, we have already seen the non-GI type derivative of the foregut, that is the lumbar. Lungs, trachea all develop from the foregut. These are the non-GI type derivative of foregut. Similarly, the allantois is going to form the system that belongs to the urogenital system, that is also non-GI type derivative of the hindgut. So this is the first picture. Then come to the second picture. In between this, the angle between the allantois and the cloaca, there is a septum that appears. Condensation of the fibrous tissue that will form the septum. This septum is called urorectal septum. So cloaca will be divided anteriorly and posteriorly. Anterior part goes along with the allantois, and posterior part will go along with the hindgut. And the place over here where this opening of the hindgut, that is called the proctodia. You see with the development of perineum what is going to happen there. Now coming to the next picture, this is complete separation of the hindgut portion, the cloacal portion. This is the primitive rectum anal canal, and this part, anterior part of the hindgut of the cloaca, which goes along with this allantois, this is forming the primitive urogenital sinus that will goes for the development of urogenital system. Okay. Now that the membrane of the cloacal membrane now divided into two parts. Along with the urogenital system, this is called urogenital membrane. Along with the primitive rectum anal canal, this is called the anal membrane. And where the urorectal membrane touches the cloacal membrane, that is called the perineal body. That part will be developing in future as the perineum. Okay. So this is how the development of the rectum anal canal along with the development of the primitive urogenital sinus takes place from the part of the hindgut, that is called cloaca. Now coming to the development of rectum anal canal, this is the hindgut portion, this is the primitive rectum that is derived from the endoderm, and the part which is from the ectoderm, which is called the proctodeum, that is from the ectodermal derivative. These two are colons with each other. Then the disappearance of this membrane, anal membrane, and the continuity is being established with the endodermal part, with the ectodermal part, and that is giving rise to the formation of the rectum and anal canal. So next we will see the formation of the canal shaped structure. These are called anal column, which is present inside the rectum anal canal, and this is the valves which are present. These valves are called the anal valve, and here is a line only having the endoderm ectoderm, that is called the pectinate line. And this last part, this is the ectodermal part of the anal canal, which is it is communicating with the exterior and the skin, that is called the anal orifice. So this is the formation of the from the rectum anal canal from the endodermal and ectodermal derivatives. Okay.